Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be planning for September 1st through the 7th in my Hobonichi Cousin Health and Wellness Planner using this amazing journaling kit by SweetTPlans. So this journaling kit, like I said, is by SweetTPlans. This is for your daily pages or just like daily journaling or whatever. And I thought I would try it out in my planner spread this week. Don't know how it's going to go. I'm sure it's going to be fine because it is absolutely beautiful. But it is my birthday on September 7th. So I wanted to do a fun little kit that would help me celebrate my birthday. So when she shared that she had this Disney birthday kit, I was like, oh my gosh, I need it. That's perfect for me. So that is what we are doing. So this is what the kit looks like. It comes with the 2 pages of deco, a big and a small. I might not use the small deco, but we'll see. It comes with this like scrap of torn pieces, and then you have days of the week and some of these fun like little journaling boxes, and then you get 7 pages, one for each day of the week, obviously, 7 pages of different kinds of designs for that match the kit. Basically, I am on SweetTPlans PR team, and if you want to save some money off of your order, you can use my code Megan24. It'll save you 25% off of your order on her website, and you will also receive my freebie. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this plan with me. Okay, so as you can see, my September intro page is a dashboard also from SweetTPlans. That is the castle one, and I shared how I put that on. I mean, I literally just slapped it on the page in my Hobonichi Cousin setup. But what we are actually doing here is I am figuring out where I want each to go, because I don't want them to be side by side. I want it to be one each on each page because there's 2 different designs. So I'm figuring out that. Now that I know which one it goes where, I think I'm going to go ahead and get started. Now, I am very excited about this because I have been wanting to try out her journaling kits for a while, and when she came out with them, I was like, oh my gosh, you have no idea how great this would be to decorate my daily pages with. And she was like, well, yeah, that's a good idea. And I was like, oh my gosh. And then I never got them, but now I have them, so we're going to experiment with it. So as you can see, I'm just playing around with where things go. I'm getting very, very excited about how things are laid down. And I'm really excited that I'm able to use up every inch of the page with these stickers, because I don't know if I mentioned this. I probably didn't. This is what I use to track my food. So my my calorie intake, my steps, and all that fun stuff. And then I do a little bit of journaling, just like on the day, how it went and how I can improve for the next day kind of thing. It's like a quick little tiny journaling area that I use for those pages. And I love this because I can actually use one of the boxes, and like she has the little stickers, prompts that say on my mind. And I was like, oh my gosh, that's perfect. That is amazing. I am so excited about it. So that is all I'm doing here. I am just adding all of the pages from this sheet, and I'm grabbing at least one of the torn paper pieces to add to each day. And then I'm going to just cover up all of the other stuff with like whiteout or one of the stickers, and just kind of placing them down. On the days that I'm physically working, I wanted to make sure that I had a the 1 through 10 little sticker, and that is going to be tracking my shoulder pain level, because I am a photographer. I do have to remember that like my shoulder is messed up, and it's because of my job that my shoulder messed up, and I have to be really careful with how much I am doing to my shoulder each day, because I don't want to get it hurt again. So that is why I'm using those to track my pain level, and I'm just doing that on every single day that I am working. And I'm switching between today was and on my mind for the prompts, because that's where I'm just going to write my little journaling for the day. And then the other 3 boxes are going to be my breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the work week, and then I'll just write anything else that I need to around on the extra areas of the page. So as I said, I'm just grabbing things and putting the stickers down in any way, shape, or form that I can, and I am making sure that everything works. On the 6th, you can see that I have a prompt that says happy little moments, and that is because I'm going to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party for my birthday that day, and I know I'm not going to be sticking to a plan, but I do want to make sure I write down at least a good general idea of what I'm going to be eating that day so that I can know, like, okay, well, you know, this was my birthday, so it'll be okay that I'm splurging just a little bit. And then the 7th, I did not do a prompt because that is a day off for me, so I don't have to really worry about doing a prompt. And also, that is my birthday, so I am not going to be tracking food that day either because I don't want to. I want to celebrate my day. All right, everyone, that is it for this plan with me in my daily pages. Y'all, I think it turned out so cute. I am obsessed. SweetTPlans, if you're watching, girl, you better prepare yourself because the second I am able to, I'm going to get a lot of your daily pages kits. Because this is amazing. This is perfect to decorate my daily pages with. I don't know why I didn't think of that before, but like, look at this. This is so pretty. I love this. I'm obsessed with how it looks. And like, I am one of those people who likes to have a little bit of deco. Like here, if it was a normal spread, I would put washi right here, right? But like, this is perfect. I'm obsessed. I can't stop talking about it. I can't stop flipping through it. I think it's so cute and I'm obsessed. And I really like how it goes along with my Disney theme for my September introduction. I just think it's so fun. So if you guys are wanting to get your own kits or stickers or deco or anything from SweetTPlans, as I mentioned at the beginning, if you want to save some money off of your order, use my code and get my freebie so that you can save some money. She does have sales almost every single time she does a new release. So follow her on Instagram, and all of her information will be in the description box so you guys can check it out. So she will be sharing all of the new releases. She does share on her stories a lot too, so you can find out new releases, sneak peeks of stuff, any kinds of like information as far as that goes. So definitely check that out if you're interested. If you guys like this video and you want to see more from me, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I post new videos. If you want to see more of the ways that I've decorated my daily pages in the past, you can check out my Hobonichi Cousin Health and Wellness playlist. It will be linked in the description box along with everything else that I mentioned and at the end of this video, so you can check that out. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and helping me celebrate my birthday this week. And until next time, craft on. Bye, guys!